Good morning, everybody. Patrick Blake, your market analyst from FIDEM Trade. Let's take a look today. We're going to talk like each and every day about the news, the reports are being released, and what to look for and focus on in order to make the right trades and start making some profit. First, let's take a look at the AUD, Australia. We have the cash rate. The short-term interest rates are the number one, absolute, in my opinion, the number one factor in currency valuation. Traders look at most other indicators merely to predict how rates will change in the future. Now, the Reserve Bank board members come to consensus on where to set the rates. Followed by, still talking about Australian dollars, we still have the Reserve Bank of Australia statement. One of the primary tools the RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia board, uses to communicate with investors. About what? About monetary policy. Very important. And they discuss the economic outlook and offers clues. We get to know some clues and read between the lines on the outcome of the future decisions. Now, we do have the GBP, Great British Pound. We have the Construction PMI, Construction Purchasing Manager Index. It's a leading indicator of economic health as businesses react quickly to market conditions. Measures the level of business conditions, such as what? Just to understand what we're talking about: employment, production, new orders, prices, supplier deliveries, and inventories. So you get a whole idea about what that is. Now we do have the New Zealand. We have like three reports coming one after another, starting with the GDT index, which is the global daily trade, leading indicator of nations' trade balance with other countries. Why it's important? Because rising commodity prices boosts export income. Second, we have the employment change. We're familiar with that, especially with the U.S. Employment and non-employment change. That's we're talking about the job creation is an important indicator of consumer spending. Third, we have the employment rate. What is that? The number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. That is regarding the New Zealand. So now we do have the AUD, New Zealand, and the GBP, Great British Pound. Looking today, also we have the European Central Bank President Mario Draghi. He is given a speech. We will understand the outcome of that speech, but why that speech could be very important. It's actually marked as a medium impact event, but why it could change everything, because Mario Draghi, as the head of the European Central Bank, which controls short-term interest rates, this guy, he has more influence over the euro's value, over that particular currency, the euro, okay, than any other person, and we can find clues regarding future monetary policy. We all know that they speak, they give speeches, they drop clues, and we read between the lines, and then we know what's going to happen with the interest rates. Are they going to hike or are they going to lower? And that's what we will find out later on. And that is it for today. I hope that you have a great day. Happy trading, and I will see you tomorrow. Patrick Blake.